24 engineering students from Hyderabad are feared drowned in the Beas River in Himachal while they were on an excursion to Manali. 5 bodies have been recovered so far and the rescue operations are on. The Telangana Home Minister meanwhile has left for Kullu along with a team of senior police officials. Around 20 people who belong to the families of the students who went on this trip were protesting at the airport in Hyderabad as the Telangana Home Minister left for Himachal. Their demand was that the government organize a special flight for the family members to head to the state. Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh meanwhile took stock of the situation.
On this road, up and down, every year, and particularly during the summer season. This is the first time that such a tragedy has occurred. And it's very unfortunate. And students from Andhra Pradesh had come along with the teachers. And I think the teachers should also take a precaution to see that students do not go to the riverbed. But anyway, I don't want to portion any blame.
We are now joined by the SSP Operations, Mr. Sanjeev Yadav. He's joining us from the spot with more details. Sir, what is the progress of the rescue operations at the moment?
Yes, actually we have covered 4 dead bodies, and among these 3 were girls and 1 was boy. And so far this was the only recovery we have made, and again trying to get some more, but because of the silt problem in the river, we are not getting the bodies at present, but still we are continuing in our search operation.
Sir, there were initial reports that suggested that there was a delay in the rescue process. Rescue teams did not reach on time and were ill-equipped. How would you react to those allegations?
Actually, we are based at Kullu, and from the Kullu, this place is nearly 35 kilometers. And we came to know this news about this incident from the media, electronic media. And as soon as we get the news, we rescue our team to that spot within a fraction of seconds. And we were having all the life-saving equipments with us, like life jackets, to help them, the ropes, carabiners, and we were having the dragon lights, especially for the nights. And we have thoroughly searched in the night, but as it was very dark, we were not able to find it. But in the morning, during the first light, we get the 4 bodies, and still the search is going on. Keeping in with the search rescue operation, it is actually very difficult to search in a stretch of 15 kilometers. Around about 15 or 20 kilometers this stretch is from the incident place to the place which we are here at Pando. It's a long stretch, 15-20 kilometers, and in the dark night and having a large volume of water actually flowing. So it was difficult to search in the night, but during the day the general local administration, they have arranged for the boat, and accordingly we have also searched thoroughly, and till now we are able to get the 4 dead bodies.
Mr. Yadav, is there any specialized equipment that can help in the operations at this stage?
Actually, the operation is basically based on the observation, and for observation we have this special binocular, and we have the life jackets, ropes, and everything which are required for safe. Actually, to see under the water, it's very difficult. There is no such type of equipment, I think, made so far.
So, sir, how long will the salvage operations take?
Actually, the dead bodies, I think, will be under the silt, and when they, I think it will take 2-3 days more.
Meanwhile, Union HRD Minister Smriti Irani has also reached the accident site near Manali-Kiratpur Highway. Smriti expressed grave concern over the shocking incident, assuring all possible assistance from the centre.
केंद्र की ओर से सभी सपोर्ट, सभी सहायता का आश्वासन भी दिया। मैं जितने भी लोगों ने अपने परिजनों को खोया है उनके प्रति अपनी सहानुभूति व्यक्त करती हूं और मृतकों को श्रद्धांजलि देती हूं। मुझसे कहा गया है कि एक इन्वेस्टिगेशन की जा रही है, कुछ लोगों को इस विषय में सस्पेंड भी किया गया है। इन्वेस्टिगेशन की रिपोर्ट आने के बाद ही मैं इस पूरी घटना पर अपनी टिप्पणी दे पाऊंगी।
Meanwhile, there have been tweets regarding this unfortunate incident. Digvijay Singh tweeted, "Extremely sad and sorry to know about the drowning of AP students in HP. Have spoken to CM Himachal and he has assured full cooperation." He then goes on to say that the Deputy Commissioner Mandi is the person to contact. My heart goes out to the affected families.